We've sold TT, Skoda, Delsol, Accord, Type R, S4, A6, Lexus, BMW Golf, ST Rep Prelude, V6, Type R, another Prelude, and end of an era. I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys for showing support. And so all these cars that we've got, we have to shift it. We've sold as many as we could. We've sold Audi TT, Skoda, and that's what's left right now. Delsol, Accord, Type R, S4, A6, Lexus, BMW Golf, ST Rep Prelude, V6, Type R, another Prelude, and the FN2. There's the Type R, there's the Kia, and the EP2. Over 2 years we've been here, 2 years. We would have carried on staying. We had big plans for this place, but all these cars need to go now. We're looking for a new place. The Almighty gave us the sign that this is not where we're supposed to end up. There's bigger plans to come in the future, and everything happens for a reason. That's it. So I just want to say it's been an end of an era of this place. I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys for showing support. Comments down below. Sometimes a stressful event, bad news, can also mean good news to something that's going to come afterwards, and that's the way we should see it. And I just want to thank the Almighty. Whether it's good or bad, everything's happened for a reason, for a good reason. So just gotta keep your head up and just go with it. Again, thank you very much for watching. Let's see if we can find a new place to move all these cars. It's full of memories. This is where it all starts. So, like in the middle of coronavirus, this is the first ever unit. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and do it, and just pray and hope that it all works out. But I hope it all pays off, really. That's the dream. Because at the moment, this is it. It's just an empty little unit. Remind myself that this is where it all started off. Remind myself that I started off here with nothing, and we'll see how it goes. Woo! This is where we are 2 years later. It's crazy, right? Time flies. We have sold many cars, but because of the situation, we have had to be ruthless and sell many more. Since arriving at this place, these are some of the cars we have been lucky enough to buy, experience and sell. I've also included some of the pictures and clips of those who have bought them. See you later, man. Take care, Mitch. There's the owner taking a selfie. He's brought the BMW E36. Sold. Oh man, Sleeker sold. This car is now sold. A gentleman from Ireland. We're moving out, so we gotta take the tent down now. Mad, isn't it? Cool. It's all open now. What's going on, lads? We got the truck out. We're gonna go get a trailer from Stafford. This is gonna do the job to take all the cars to new units, so stay tuned. Let's hit the motor. 26.5 litres for £50 of diesel. Let's not waste any time. It's about time that this truck actually comes to use. We did buy it a couple of months ago and we just parked up. The actual purpose of the truck is to trailer cars. The craziness that's been happening the last couple of weeks and months with the cars and selling the cars and making space. I'm on my way to buying a car trailer to hook onto his truck to move all the cars. This is the story carrying on, which you guys would have not known the past few weeks. Couldn't make any videos on the Skyline because of this situation. I've never traded anything before, and this is my first time doing this, so I do hope that it goes well. But this truck's got a brand new clutch between installed. When we first bought the truck, the clutch was burnt out. I can't see why this truck shouldn't do the job. It's only 100k miles. It's like a tank, and it's driving good, to be honest. That's probably one of the greatest rainbows I've ever seen in my life. We're literally racing this car, taking both lanes. And we are on terrain wheels, not on stock wheels, so it's going to make that humming sound while you're driving. It does feel a bit sketchy, and I do feel like if I did have stock wheels on there, it'd probably feel a lot better. It's getting there, and that's what matters. I'm just glad that the rain has stopped a bit. I think we're here. I'll knock on the door. I'll tell you guys the rest, so stay tuned. Alright, we got the trailer. Goodbye. See you later, Ian. Yes! We got the trailer. Alhamdulillah. We've literally got a trailer behind us. A chapter and a half. And hopefully we get back to the HQ safely. Wow, they really got someone there, didn't they? Don't go no more than 50 miles per hour because it starts shaking and being a bit sketchy. Whoa, okay, alright. Alright, what's going on, guys? So I've just dropped off one car. It's late in the night, time is ticking. I've literally got 2-3 days to move all the cars. Another £40. It's doing a good job. A high-vis call for moving cars in the night time. I thought it'd be a bit health and safety. We're just gonna carry it on. Let's go! Bismillah. You can see the trailer right there. You gotta be careful, it's a nightmare. Civic Type R is strapped up. We're on our way to the new place. When situations get tough, then the toughness comes out of you, and this is basically one of those experiences. I'm out my comfort zone. Comfort can kill a man, and I understand that, because when you get comfortable with something, you don't really want to work hard, progress, because you're comfortable. Everything's cush, everything's nice. Nearly took the whole bumper off. We'll pump the tyres up on the way to the new unit. I made a mistake, yeah. I was supposed to lock the legs up. Keep going. Wait, and then keep going. That's it. Being doubly done now. There you go. Got a few more cars, got a Type R, BMW ST Rep, the Preludes, there's also the S4 and another Type R. The Lexus also needs to go as well. The truck is all set up as well. Stay tuned. Situation right now, and the Prelude out and then a Lexus, but we are moving fast. Right, we're trying to get as much cars as we can to leave the unit. We're working through the night. The goal is to empty everything through the night. We ain't got much time, but we're gonna get there in the end. Also in the back of Skyline, Got our drag wheels in the back. Right now we're going to start up the Prelude. I'm firm this will start. Every car started so far. I'm going to leave the Del Sol here for now. It's been here for so long. Yeah. Yeah. Basically the Type R ran out of petrol. Right, the situation is driving the S4 now, the Lexus IS 200. Because this is the drift car that we're supposed to be driving. S4 is behind me. We are literally gliding right now. How's the space looking down there? Will I make it? Yeah. Slowly but surely, middle of the night, 1 AM. Trying to get these cars sorted. That's the dirt bike now, all strapped up, 3 straps. Front tyre in the centre, 1 over the back tyre. Third time I'm filling up on the truck. Another £60 diesel, they're doing its biz. A barn cat that looks after the unit and all the stuff. And we've got her.
Hey baby, you okay baby? Why are you scared for? Oh baby.
I'll get you some food. Right, so we're going to get her in the car and get to the new unit, and hopefully she's going to be nice and safe and sound. This was once a place where we had all the cars, alhamdulillah. It's emotional. It's raining as well, and we've spent almost 3 years here in this barn place, so we started off. First start, yeah. Bismillah. There you go. That sounds rough. The journey is carrying on in a positive way, and I'm taking you guys with me. Stay tuned on this one. Thank you very much for watching. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. I love you all. See you guys in the next video. Peace.